everyone and welcome back to my kitchen. Are you looking for a way to spice up your dinner menu? Well, stay tuned to learn how to make a delicious butter chicken and naan wrap with me and take your taste buds on an adventure. For this amazingly delicious butter chicken, you will need some ingredients to marinate, some ingredients for the curry, and for the naan. So to marinate, you will need a half a cup of plain yogurt, 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 2 teaspoons of garam masala, a half a teaspoon of chilli powder, 1 teaspoon of ground cumin, 1.5 tablespoons of chopped garlic and ginger, and 4 large chicken breasts cut into bite-sized pieces. For the curry, you will need 2 tablespoons of butter, 3/3 of a cup of tomato puree, 1 cup of fresh cream, 1 tablespoon of sugar, 1.5 teaspoons of salt, and some fresh coriander to garnish. Now for the naan, you will need 3 cups of self-raising flour, 1 tablespoon of sugar, 1 cup of lukewarm milk, 3 to 4 tablespoons of oil, and some garlic butter. Step 1. Combine all the marinade ingredients with the chicken in the bowl. Then mix well and cover, allowing this to marinate for at least 1 hour. While we wait for the chicken to marinate, let's start with this easy naan recipe. Step 2. In a bowl, combine the milk, sugar, and oil, then mix. Now add in the flour and mix. Butter chicken's mildly spicy, creamy, savory flavor makes it more than just delicious, but accessible to almost every palate. Then knead for about 5 minutes. Now cover the dough with some cling film and allow this to rise in a warm place for about 30 minutes. The dough is ready. Now cut into 8 or 12 pieces, then roll them into balls. Now using the rolling pin, roll them out as round as possible, but it doesn't need to be perfect. Heat a pan and fry your naan for about 30 seconds to 1 minute on each side. Step 3. Heat the butter in a large saucepan. Then add the marinated chicken and cook for about 5 minutes. Butter chicken is also known as murg makhani, and it's a traditional Indian dish. Step 4. Now add in the tomato puree, fresh cream, sugar and salt, and set this on a low heat to simmer for 20 to 30 minutes. Indian food is my favorite cuisine. What's your favorite cuisine? Let me know in the comments below. Step 5. Garnish with some fresh coriander. Step 6. It's time to make the wrap. So place the naan on a plate, add some of the buttered chicken, and fold it into a wrap. Wow! This looks amazing! All done, and it smells so delicious. Well, I can't wait to dig in. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching, and remember to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on more deliciously great recipes with me. See you all next time. Goodbye!